So Scott's is one of the top lawn care products on the market out there, and with this being triple action, what that means is it's going to kill any weeds you see, and even those that you don't see. It's going to prevent crabgrass for 4 months, and it's going to add fertilizer and feed your grass, feed your lawn, keep it looking nice and lush while getting rid of those pesky weeds. Here's a quick look at the active ingredients in here, and then 20 pounds of this covers 4,000 square feet, so take that into consideration as you're trying to plan how much to use for your lawn. So the back of the bag here has all the detailed instructions on how to apply it. One consideration though is look at the weather forecast, make sure it's not going to be raining in the next 24 hours. You can apply this, and then that's going to give it time to take effect before the rain really soaks it into the ground. So application of this turf builder is super easy. If you've got a rotary spreader or a drop spreader or even a handheld pellet spreader, any of those will work. You just have to configure it to the right setting. For a rotary spreader, it's setting of 4.5, and that setting will ensure that you're applying the proper quantity and density of this product on your lawn. Here's a quick look inside the bag here. You can see the different colored granules, pretty fine granules there. So we're gonna go ahead and load them into our dropper here. So I've gone ahead and dumped about 2/3 of the bag into our spreader here. We're gonna use that up, see how far we get in the lawn, and then add more if we need to. Another thing with this product is you're not going to want to apply it if it's super windy out, because that's just going to blow it around, and then you'll want to keep pets and kids off of it just until at least the dust settles. So it's early spring here. We've only mowed a couple times so far, but that's perfect because part of this triple acting product is making sure that we're preventing crabgrass from growing. So we're going to try and get ahead of that, do it early in the season, and kickstart our lawn. And it's typically recommended that you mow the grass before you apply this product. That way you can ensure you're getting good contact of the product on your lawn. And so for our spreader, we simply just pull the lever and we just walk it along. And you kind of want to keep an eye on where these granules are hitting so that you can make sure you're moving over to your next path without doubling up too much or without overlapping too much with the previous path. You can see this is like right after application here, and you can barely see those granules. So the Scott's Turf Builder was super easy to apply. It took me a maximum of 10 minutes to get it broadcast across the lawn. 20-pound bag, 4,000 square feet.